an experience that I had a few years back studying in Vijay sir class. When I first sat in his class and he explained it, it wasn't like a normal lecture, that was a whole experience. He just coursed our way through that history lecture into that period. I just want to say, sir, thank you very much for not making history a boring lecture, but an experience that we felt. For not just making us mud up all the answers of political science, but making us an aware citizen who knows what their rights are and what their duties are. I want to say thank you, sir, for making me an individual which I am today.
Also known as Shelina. Today, along with me, I'll also include my dear friend Agrima Kumar Thod, who is Vijay sir's former student. I would like to start by expressing my sincere gratitude for giving me the opportunity to stand here. I feel truly honored and to be able to speak and share my thoughts today. Sir, through your teaching, you have helped us understand the world better. What makes you truly special is that you have never limited yourself to academics. You taught us values, discipline, kindness, respect and courage. Vijay sir has not only taught us social science, but also English, biology, mathematics and physics. In short, everything. His knowledge has always surprised us. In all other periods, Agrima and I would have often laughed and talked, but during his class, we remained fully attentive, knowing that he could make us stand at any moment to read or question us on anything. We always feared the Viva, for he could question us on anything. He never wanted us to give permission, and always encouraged us to express our own thoughts. Even if we struggled or were unsure, he made the efforts to understand the meaning behind our answers. Now, whenever we say civics, we can't help but feel a bit embarrassed because sir would always scold us, insisting that it is actually political science. For Agrima and me, Vijay sir has always been our favorite teacher. He is one of the teachers we would and will always look up to. We sincerely thank you, sir, for your guidance, patience and inspiration.
Revolutions are not only fought on the streets, they are fought in classrooms with ideas. The French Revolution proved that words can topple kings, and you, sir, proved that words and not hand gestures make us a true speaker. I genuinely feel privileged to have been your student. You were the most disciplined teacher we ever had. I still remember you roaming in the class like a commander, ensuring both homework and classroom copies were done without fail. Literally, there was no escape. And your vivas before exam, sometimes passing boards felt easier than your viva. But what truly sets you apart is that how you shape the way of our thinking. Your habit of connecting all with daily news was just cherry on the cake, making us not just students but informed citizens. There's a small doha I dedicate to you. गुरु रोशनी का दीप है जो अंधेरा मिटाए, जीवन के हर संघर्ष में मार्गदर्शन बन जाए. Thank you, sir, for being that guiding lamp in my life.
Our most beloved teacher, who has guided us in history, political science, and economics.
First day when I came into the class and sir told me, sir asked me a question. I'm so afraid that how I would answer the question. I answered the question and he said, "ये पढ़ने वाली बच्ची लग रही है." And I got a boost in me after that. If you really want to see the example of he sharpened a child who was a really studious, unaware of the world, unaware of the people around her, and of her own self. You'll see me. I was not so aware of the world, but he brought in me a kind of confidence to learn something, to bring awareness about people, my words, and thank you so much, sir.
व्यक्तिगत रूप से मैं अपने आप को बहुत ही भाग्यशाली मानता हूँ कि सर मुझे आपसे पढ़ने का मौका मिला. आपकी मुस्कान और स्नेह हमेशा हम पर बनी रहे. भले ही आज आप सेवानिवृत्त हो रहे हैं, लेकिन आपके संस्कार, शिक्षा और मूल्यवान बातें सदा हमारे साथ. हम सबकी ओर से आपको सुखमय और आनंदमय जीवन की शुभकामनाएं.
elders, and most importantly, respect your own self by living a life of truth and dignity. Remember, the medals that you win may shine for a few years, but your values will shine forever. The world may admire your achievements, but you will be remembered for your goodness.
स्टडीज डिपार्टमेंट के लिए विजय सिंह जी का देना एक वॉइड क्रिएट करेगा और हमें उनका रिप्लेसमेंट ढूंढना भी एक चैलेंज होगा। अभी भी हम उस कोशिश में हम लगे हुए थे, कोई ना कोई तो आना ही पड़ेगा क्योंकि बच्चों का भविष्य हमसे जुड़ा है और द शो मस्ट गो।
Savings, academics, etc. Though I never told him, I am a great admirer of his qualities. Dear sir, you have inspired me a lot. What I like the most in him is the meticulous effort that he puts in every little task. His never-ending attitude to learn new things has inspired me a lot. Whenever sir would come across any new thing, he would instantly search it in the Google. I too have started doing the same thing after meeting him. He is an avid reader and tech-savvy person who will always inspire me till the end of my life. Dear sir, there will be a great vacuum in the social science department after you leave. Before you go, kindly bless me so that I too can go on with my teaching career as one of the most passionate and knowledgeable teachers like you. I would like to take your blessing, sir. Thank you, sir. Wishing you a great entire life ahead. Thank you so much.
भोगान भुक्तं वयमेव भुक्तं तपो न तप्तं वयमेव तप्तं कालो न यातं वयमेव यातं तृष्णा न जीर्णं वयमेव जीर्णं। शुभ अपराह्न सर्वेषां कृते। आज मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ थोड़ा सा बातें विजय सर के साथ हमारे लगभग 15 साल हम लोग साथ में काम किए, ऑक्सफोर्ड से लेकर कालों में याता भयों में भयाता। हम सब काम के बस में है। अंग्रेजी साहित्य हम लोगों को सिखाती है टाइम एंड टायर्ड वेट फॉर नाउ, समय और स्रोत किसी को प्रतीक्षा नहीं करती, पर संस्कृत सिखाता है कालों न यात भयों में भयाता। जो जन्म लिया है निश्चित रूप मृत्यु होगी, यह निश्चित है। पुनरपि जननम पुनरपि मरणम पुनरपि जननी जठरे शयनम। इसलिए जो आया है वो जाएगा निश्चित, पर फिर से नए कार्य की शुरू होगी। जन्म के बाद मृत्यु जैसे है सत्य है, वैसे मृत्यु के बाद जन्म भी बहुत सारे शास्त्र में लिखी हुई है, ये भी सत्य है। इसलिए कर्म के रूप में विजय महोदय हमारे साथ जितना दिन रहे वहाँ पर और इधर भी हम लोग बहुत कम बातचीत हुई है, लेकिन वो बहुत डिसिप्लिन है। और जब से मैं करली ज्वाइन किया हूँ मुझे याद है, या ऑक्सफोर्ड में रहते समय भी कोई सिंगल डे उन्होंने कभी भी देरी से नहीं पहुँचे। लगभग 10 मिनट 15 मिनट पहले पहुँचे हैं, कभी भी एक दिन भी लेट नहीं हुआ। और ईश्वर से मैं प्रार्थना करता हूँ विजय सर ऐसे ही नाम के रूप में कौन नाम दिया पता नहीं, लेकिन वो विजय प्राप्त किए थे, कर रहे हैं और करते रहे आगे जीवन में। धन्यवाद विजय माधव। सर्वेषां स्वस्ति भवतु।
स्टाफ में पहुंचते ही राम राम कहते हैं, यही शुरुआत होती है। ऐसी शख्सियत जो समयनिष्ठ, अनुशासन प्रिय, एक अच्छे आलोचक, परफेक्ट लिविंग स्टाइल, स्वाभिमानी, अच्छे संगीत और साहित्य के से लगाव, सार्थक मार्गदर्शक, एक अच्छे मेंटोर, मेरे मेंटोर थे वो आगे गए, एक साथ लंच शेयर करना, कल से मैं पता नहीं कैसे खाऊंगा, मुश्किल घड़ी में भी सार्थक सहयोग, मार्गदर्शन और अपार स्नेह सहित उनका आशीर्वचन देना, मुझे आशीर्वाद देना, अपने स्टाफ को हमेशा जीवंत रखना, सबको जागरूक करना, ब्रिलियंटली टीचिंग से सबको प्रभावित करना। आज चढ़ रहे हैं, कल फिर मिलेंगे, ये वादा रहा, हर मुश्किल से लड़ेंगे। आप रहें हमेशा खुश, जहाँ भी रहें आपकी यादों में हम हमेशा रहें। राम राम रतु।
Respected principal sir, dear colleagues, and all others in attendance. It is said that a teacher never superannuates. But the fact of the matter is that the school retires a teacher. And the day has come for me. So I thank you all being here today. Standing here fills me with a mix of emotions, gratitude, joy, and a sense of, a little touch of sadness, I would say. Gratitude to the school, where I spent so much of time, so many years. Joy for the friendships and memories I have built here along the journey. And sadness because this day today marks the end of a very meaningful chapter of my life. Dear colleagues, I had no plans to become a teacher. It happened by accident. And thereafter, how quickly the time passed that suddenly the day of departure arrived. Now it is my duty to thank all of you. I sincerely thank everyone who were part of this journey. First of all, I thank one of my childhood friends, himself a teacher, who pulled me into this profession and got me joined Cambrian School. I thank all those students, in fact, who shaped me. I sincerely thank Banerjee sir, present Vice Principal of Royal School, a thorough gentleman. I don't remember, Banerjee sir, what you saw in me, what attracted you. Thank you, Banerjee sir, from the core of my heart. I also thank Jacob sir, the then Principal Oxford School, who found me worthy of teaching there. I spent very little time with Principal sir, Rajesh Pillai sir. I had less interactions with him, but whatever it was good and he had been kind enough to me. My staff room here is great. I will miss my staff room badly. It was indeed a privilege to work with you all wonderful colleagues. I am leaving the staff room, but I am not leaving behind the relationship that we have built. I am carrying the warmth of the bonds I have built here. With a heart full of gratitude and best wishes for the future of the school, I bid you all farewell. Thank you.